In this video, we'll review some basic tips to follow before you buy a protection plan. A protection plan, also known as a service contract or extended warranty, is a written agreement that a business will provide a service for a certain period of time. This often includes the maintenance or repair of a product. The California Bureau of Household Goods and Services, or BHGS, regulates the service contract industry to make sure state requirements are met and to protect consumers. Here are some helpful tips to follow before you buy a protection plan. Tip number 1. Read before you buy. Take the time to read and understand the terms and details of the protection plan before you buy it. Be sure you're clear about what it does and does not cover, when it begins and ends, and your responsibilities as the buyer. A protection plan cannot provide the same coverage as a manufacturer's warranty. If the product comes with a manufacturer's warranty, make sure the protection plan offers additional benefits, such as longer protection period, or it covers more items or costs, or it provides replacement where the warranty only provides repair. Be wary of a protection plan that offers coverage for the same period of time as the manufacturer's warranty. Be sure you understand the process to file a claim, how long it takes, and what happens if a product can't be repaired. Lastly, review the plan to confirm the coverage matches what was advertised. Even if an advertisement or salesperson tells you about a protection plan's coverage, you'll want to confirm those terms are written down in the protection plan you buy. Tip number 2, know your rights. When buying a protection plan, you have the right to see the terms and conditions of the protection plan before agreeing to it. Cancel and receive a full refund within 30 days after you receive a protection plan that covers home electronics and major appliances. Cancel and receive a full refund within 60 days after you receive a protection plan that covers other products, such as furniture. Cancel the protection plan and receive a partial refund if the deadline for a full refund has passed. And to see the name of the address of the party responsible for paying any claims. All this information must appear in your written protection plan. Tip number 3, check the license. Anyone who sells or administers protection plans in California must be licensed by BHGS. You can check their license status on our website at bhgs.dca.ca.gov. You can also use our website to file a complaint if you have a problem with your protection plan. By knowing what to look out for before buying a protection plan, you're protecting not only the product you purchased, but yourself as well. Thanks for watching.